here's meteorologist Helen Holt with your Storm Track 3 forecast.
And we're continuing to track a cold front that basically has stalled nearby. We knew this was going to happen, and that's just brought us a lot of cloud cover throughout the day and some severe weather for areas just to the west of us. You can see on those last few frames as we look in a 6-hour radar loop over near Raleigh. Those severe thunderstorm warnings have been issued, but for us and here in southeastern North Carolina, we've seen a few isolated storms up in Bladen County. Otherwise, just a mixture of sun and clouds have been the case all day long. And pretty nice evening out there if you want to go take a walk on the beach. Here's a live look on our Stevenson Skyview camera network in Carolina Beach. A few people out there enjoying this evening, this summer evening. Man, it feels so humid and muggy outside, and that's going to continue to be the case as we're going to have a southwesterly flow over the next couple of days with that front lingering nearby. Storm chances will remain with us as well going into Friday. Pretty much a similar forecast with just partly cloudy skies and afternoon storm chances. Not going to be any washout days as I take you through our pinpoint futurecast model tonight. Any activity that we see develop will basically die out once the sun goes down as we start out Thursday morning at 6:30. Maybe an isolated shower, but most areas will be dry. So if you're heading out to work, it should be an easy commute. And then the afternoon with the heating of the day and that front nearby, we could see some showers and storms bubble up in the afternoon, maybe around 3 o'clock. Going into Friday, 6 a.m., clouds will be with us with temperatures starting out in the 70s, and then afternoon getting up into the 80s to near 90 degrees with some showers and storms possible once again. And for our Thursday afternoon, the Storm Prediction Center does have majority of southeastern North Carolina under a marginal risk for severe weather. So have that in mind. Some of the storms that we could see pop up could be on the strong to severe side. Gusty winds, heavy rain, frequent lightning, and maybe some small hail, but it's definitely not going to be widespread severe weather. It's just going to be maybe 1 or 2 storms being on the stronger side. Rain chances stick with us for the rest of the week into the holiday weekend. Notice 4th of July looking possibly a little wet, so have that in mind. Some alternative plans need to be in place, so we'll continue to keep an eye on things. Hopefully all the fireworks will go off without a problem. Mostly cloudy skies tonight, some patchy fog to start out our morning with, and temperatures will fall down into the lower 70s. Mid to upper 80s tomorrow, mixture of sun and clouds, a few pop-up storms in the afternoon. So basically our forecast we had today on repeat again tomorrow. 84 degrees for a beach forecast, water temperature in the lower 80s. And good news in the tropics, nothing of concern. Should stay that way over the next 5 days. National Hurricane Center doesn't have any areas of interest. So it's the storm chances we'll be keeping an eye on. We'll be tracking them if they develop in the afternoon. And of course, we'll let you know on air and online if any watches or warnings are issued.
Okay, awesome. Thank you so much, Helen.
Thank you, Helen.